I'm Marceline Daniel Lepier and student ID 63250125. First, I will explain about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a sentence pattern used to express general truths, habits, or recurring events. This sentence uses the basic form of the verb 1, and can be divided into two types: verbal using the verb and nominal using the verb to be. What does present mean? Present in the simple present tense mean now, and simple means simple, and the tense refer to the verb form used in the time period. Next, the main function of simple present tense. Habits and routines to describe actions that are performed repeatedly. General truths to state a fact to is always true. Permanent situation for things that don't change. Instruction or direction provides step-by-step interaction. Schedule state a fixed schedule in the present or future. When is simple present tense used? Simple present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. Sentence. So, we can say a sentence if it consists of the following three things: 1. Subject, 2. Predicate, 3. Complicate. But there are only two things that are required, namely the subject and the predicate. Come on, let's move on the explanation of the formula and examples. In a verbal sentence, after the subject is followed by the verb. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, after the subject is released a non-verb, which we usually know as an auxiliary verb or to be auxiliary verb. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject less verb 1 s or es less complement. The formula is for positive sentence with verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb or to be plus complement. Next will be explained by Siti Umi Hanifah. Thank you.
Hello, I am Siti Manifa. 1. Verbal sentences. Asing verb. Positive subject plus verb 1. For subject, he, she, it. Example, I eat an apple. Example, she eat an apple. Negative. Subject plus do, does plus not plus verb 1. Example, I do not eat an apple. Example, he does not eat an apple. Question: do, does, plus subject plus verb 1. Example: do not eat an apple. Example: do she eat an apple? Nominal sentences. Asing to be. Positive verb plus to be, am, is, are, plus complement. Example: I am a student. Example: he is a student. Example: they are student. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Example: I am not a student. Question: to be plus subject plus complement. Example: are you a student? Simple present question or interrogative. In the interrogative sentence partner, it is split into two parts, namely yes or no question. Do I work? Does he work? In accordance with the name of the type, namely yes or no question. So you only need to answer the question above with yes, I do. Yes, he does. That is a question word in English that is to the letter. What do I play? Who do you play? When does he play? Where does she play? Why do we play? How do they play? What are examples of simple present tense? Positive sentences: 1. She wants to be accounting. 2. Cow ate rice. 3. They expect English at the office. 4. He likes bananas. 5. They play basketball every morning. Negative sentences: 1. They not have any money. 2. Latifa does see honey in the class. 3. My best friend does love you. 4. You don't listen to me. 5. So is not in Indonesia. Interrogative sentences or question sentences. 1. Do they talk a lot? 2. Does he play tennis? 3. Does your father drink coffee? 4. Where does she have lunch? 5. Does he ride the motorbike? Thank you. See you.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Latifa Rohaini. My student ID 632507117. What are the characteristics of simple present tense sentence? After summarizing the previous explanation, here are some characteristics of the present tense. Number 1. Use verb in the basic form, infinitive or no regular verbs. Example: I play soccer every weekend. Play is a verb in the base form. Number 2. Use auxiliary verbs, namely do or does, for verbal sentence in negative and interrogative forms. Example: She doesn't eat meat. Doesn't, does not. Auxiliary word in negative form for the subject she. Do you like chocolate? Do. Auxiliary word for question with the subject you. The word time or adverb of time. Time, information in simple present tense that we will discuss, has another term, namely frequent information. Actually, the words time are not always present in every simple present tense sentence. All time words are placed after the subject of the sentence. Example: he never forgets his smartphone. Time word or adverb of time. Example: biasanya, usually, habitual, normally, generally. Selalu, always, jarang, seldom, rarely, sering, often, kadang-kadang, sometimes, tidak pernah, never, hampir tidak pernah, hardly, never, setiap minggu, every week, setiap hari, every day, setiap bulan, every month. Adding the final letter in the simple present tense verb for third person pronouns he, she, it. Endings not know, she, verb not know, it. Addition wishes. Endings not know, she, verb not know, is. Addition changes. Endings not know, is. Verb not know, is. Addition classes. Endings not know, the. Verb not know, is. Addition buzzes. Endings not know, why. Verb not know, is. Addition fixes. Endings consonants plus y. Verb not know, is. Addition studies. Endings vowel plus y. Verb not know, is. Addition base. Endings not know, zero. Verbs not know, as or not know, is. Addition videos or potatoes. When you use the present simple, you are using a routine. It's something that you always do every day, month, or year, or it's something that you never do. To be. See plus am or is or are plus predicate. As plus am or is or are plus not plus predicate. Am or is or are plus as plus predicate. Verb as plus verb plus object. As plus don't or doesn't plus verb plus object. Do or does plus as plus verb plus object. That's all your presentation on the simple present tense material. More or less, we apologize if there are any wrong words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.